Hi, I'm Paulo, and in this video, I'll show you what you can do for your website to have more credibility. So when customers visit your website, they will be encouraged to sign up or subscribe. And if they subscribe, more leads for you, and of course, more leads means more earnings. But before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, it's all about earning money online. I show how to use platforms, monetize it, and scale the earnings to a full-time income. A bit about me, I used to be in the BPO industry, but then I wanted location and more time freedom, so I became a virtual assistant. But I also wanted financial freedom and more time freedom, and if you're a virtual assistant or still an employee or just trying to earn on the side, you'll never obtain financial freedom, but it's a good stepping stone. So the good thing about being a virtual assistant is you discover the platforms used for businesses, so I started learning more about those and began my research and self-study as much as I can and whenever I can. So now, I'm an entrepreneur and a business consultant, and I'm here to share what I know, especially the concept when it comes to scaling the income in the simplest and easiest way possible. So if that's your jam, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button as I'll be posting videos regularly because I just have so much to share. Let's go ahead and jump right into the content. Now let me show you what you can have on your website so when people visit it, they'll be encouraged to subscribe. Let's go to my website, ifreedomblueprint.com. Now this is my website. If you notice, something pops up on the lower left. This is Builderall's social proof app. So what it does is, if somebody subscribes or signs up on your website, it will register and it will show here on the lower left the name, when they signed up, and there's more options. So let me show you how to install this feature on the website. This is the Builderall dashboard. On the left would be the features. So we go down to the apps. And then go to social proof. So these are some of the websites that I have the social proof app rather installed in. So this is the one for iFreedom Blueprint. See? Now let me show you how to create this from scratch. Create a campaign, see? So campaign name, that would be the name, how you want to name it, that would show up here. Alright, like this one. So the type, you can even put it on your online course, alright? Because with Builderall, just to show you, you can make an online course. You can even sell it. So that's another way of earning with Builderall. So let's go back. So I want it on my website. So I choose the drag and drop site builder contact form. Website domain or the website address. This should be the published website address. Okay. And then the logo. The logo, you can just choose any picture. The logo is this one. You go back to my website, it's this. Alright. Now let's redo this. I'll do this from scratch. Let me remove this. So that's from my website, ifreedomblueprint.com. So it's gone because I removed it. Let me show you how easy it is to install. So first, let's name it iFreedom Blueprint. I want it on the website and not on my online course, so it's drag and drop site builder contact form and the website's address or website name. So I just copy this, paste it, see it's there. Okay, now for the logo, choose a file, go to my logos. Okay, there's the bulb that I had earlier. So here you have the option to open the list of users, enable pop-up on mobile devices. Okay, show more button, it would be this. Okay, but I don't want that, so I'm not putting a check mark on it. But if you want, you can have it up, so if they click more, they'll be able to see more information of those who subscribe. Okay, for the theme, you have the option to change the color, dark, see? So everything is customizable. It's very, very easy. Okay. I want it on green. So I'll leave it as green. So the logo, it's all set up. Translation. So this is how you want it. So is it for, well, I mean, do you want the social proof to show up when somebody just purchased an account, just signed up rather? Okay. So here you have more options. When they signed up, I want that to show. From the no, I don't want it. What? Table header. Okay. So let's say let me double check here. Let me check what I have on the other websites real quick. Just purchase an account, just signed up. Okay. So I want just purchase an account instead. So let's create this again real quick. So just purchase an account. So let's redo this real quick. iFreedom Blueprint. I want it on the website. Okay. For the website domain, just copy this, paste it here. Choose a file. I want the bulb. For the color, I want it green. Just purchase an account. Good to go. Double check. And save. So it's here. Now, you have to enter 2 codes. Alright? Now let's go to the website real quick. For the code, for the builders, let's go to the website. Builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect. Let's go to my sites. I'll open this on another window instead. So what I'm doing right now is I will access the version or the page where I can edit my website, so I can enter the code. So ifreedomblueprint.com is here. I want to edit it. Transfer it here. Now let's check the code. So there are two codes. The first code, we enter it on the header of the page. So here, I want the code or the social proof feature to show up on this page, on the home page of my website. So my website is up. So here's what you do. You just copy this one. Rather code for data collection. So this is the code where the website will collect the data, which is from the home page. Okay. So I copy this. Go to your editor. Click on the plus sign, or rather the one on top. You go to the default. Go to the home page. Alright. Home page. Just go to here. At the bottom, page head scripts. Alright. So again, how did we get here? From the social proof app, the first one, code for data collection. This is the code you put on the home page or the page where you want the data to be collected for those who subscribed or signed up on your website. So I just copy this, go to your editor, the topmost, the first menu, default, that would be for the website. Home, because it's on the home page, you want the social feature app to show up or to pop up on the home page. And then just go right to the bottom, page head scripts. Just delete that and paste the code. And then save. Now, once you've saved that, the next step is to get the other code for page to display notifications. So copy this. Alright. That is the code where you will put on the HTML box. What is the HTML box? Let me show you. So you go to the third menu, to the third button rather on the menu, on the editor. You just go to apps here. Okay, and there's an HTML box. You just click on that, this will show up. You just paste the code here. So edit, right click, edit, and then see these, just delete everything and paste it. Okay, if you notice, by the way, and then confirm. Now if you notice, by the way, for Builderall, you don't need to learn any technical skills to use the website or to use the platform. As long as you can copy, paste, edit, and save, you'll be good to go. See, I didn't even do any coding. I just access the app, copy, paste, and that's it. Okay, so going back, this is it. Now, if you right click on this one, okay, let me check something real quick. Alright, so this is for where you want the social proof feature to pop up or to show up. Okay, you can even pin the element, so when it shows up, it doesn't disappear. It stays on the on its place. Okay, it doesn't go anywhere. See? So I want it on the lower left part. just like the same as I showed you earlier before we began. Okay, its location I want it on the lower left, so there it's where it will show up, and then just close it. So if somebody signs up on my website, it would show up on the lower left, just the same as it showed you earlier. Alright? So if you noticed, again, I didn't do any coding. It's just copy and paste. Everything is so easy to access. Now, for this, we're done. You can just close this. For the website, you just have to save it. Save and publish. So it will, for it to update, just around 5 minutes as per experience, or even less. Okay, it also happens real time, so you won't have to worry about waiting for a long time so that the website, or if you edit and add any additional features to the website, it would take time to update. No, sometimes it's real, most of the time actually it's real time, but most 5 minutes. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you want more credibility to your website, so that when people visit it, they'll be encouraged to sign up or subscribe, because it has worked for me. It has worked for a lot of my colleagues. It's an awesome feature for a website. Two things, by the way. If you have a website, make sure that you have a domain name for it, showing that you own the website, and the social proof. The social proof app means a lot. Okay, it's an awesome feature. It does produce more leads. Okay, so that's about it for this video. If you want to learn more, if you have any questions, just comment below, or yeah, let me know, because I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it for just to show you how it works. So if you want to learn about email marketing, by the way, I just have it, one of my freebies, just on the description below. It's more than an hour. And I also have high converting sales funnel and high open rate headlines, which you can use for your sales funnels and your landing pages, even your the subject lines for your emails. Those are all bonuses that I give away. Feel free to use it at your convenience. Alright? And for Builderall, if you want to sign up, you want to have this feature on your website, link below on the description as well. So just like that, this one's over, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!